So damwase na da me ka de kire me se ye tena sesei no a aya join me live kwa live no so Facebook wo ho enu ye Sompa 106.5 Sompa 106.5 Accra and for YouTube no enu so ye Sompa 106.5 a me pato betimi ato aye na wa hwe ye live e wo ho no anya asem keto ma wo Facebook and YouTube messages no aya fa bra ntam na yatumi akenkan enu ame wo sadodo no ade no e ba beka back door ya yantumi akenkan enso amfa ma mo me pato me din ane Akosua Agyewaa Kode3 Boateng na ntantam so ne yensase amfamfiri Egypt. And we Africa Cup of Nations under 20 no me pacho ma me fanto anim so bowram wo Egypt games a wodo pinua enso gusuada ya ekoso wonim se enroda Nigeria wonom achina fie any Kenya under 20 enso tumi kwakwasi akan ema after the game no ekwakoye 2-2 draw wonom Nigeria se 2 Kenya under 20 wom so ba be she 2 a na no kakra ye free waba wonim se enro akro no ano Tunisia under 20 fie eton sare frem Morocco Emma after the game no 4 goals enso tumi pie frem baya Tunisia share 1 Emma Morocco betete ya share 1-3 a na no ne kakra ye free wapa na me pacho ma me fanto animo se another dua no final round of games no eno so betumi atodwa na wo bowram wo group C ni mu a me pacho ma me fanto animo se Central Africa Republic about 3 p.m. a one Ghana under 20 enso betumi asi one makan wonim sa Senegal eno so 3 p.m. Kronoano woni DR Congo enso betumi abo wo mo amanioma nyina tumi akoyi a eno ne kakra ye free wapa na me pacho wo Africa Cup of Nations under 20 group B table no a me pacho se na mu sensem sitie ma me fronto woni se Morocco wo mo na awuradi kan wo 7 points plus 3 goals Nigeria tosomienu 5 points plus 1 goal. Tunisia toso miensa 3 points minus 1 goal. Kenya toso 9 1 goal minus 3 goals 1 point minus 3 goals eno ne kakra ye free waba me pato ye jejemo enso atumi dia metie for na so far so good no ma me fanto anu se Morocco and Nigeria one match me qualify e dia quarter finals ni mu a jasa no ne kakra ye free waba ejima ye fanto se Tunisia one more shiny moon, say one games I would draw yakano, one so bet me a boy, we enough, one more goals and more points or one more, one so bet me a qualify, Edia Kwakobo Africa Cup of Nations under 20, a year quarter final, Snipia, and on a Kakraye free wapa, Name Pacho William said Ghana Black Satellite, one with Jirakono, Nyameya Domo, and a one papa wobble ball, Edia Tia Central Africa Republica, and we are 3 p.m. Manyasam Ketuama, now and when a coach, Edema Ghana Black Satellite. Ora Desmond of Fair Wanya Kwenya and then Central for Dinkomo Amwachechem say game no dey crucial edema one more shining moon so betimenya win at the frame.
Congratulations to Senegal on their approach. They didn't allow us to play football, so we had to do it the hard way, and we did it. No, I think our boys are very talented, a lot of quality in the team. We know that we can play different kind of football. We can put the ball on the floor and play. If it's difficult, we can also play aggressive and direct football, and I think this is what we saw today. I think I was just installing confidence in them, and they're a very confident bunch, but for us it's about the hard work, and we keep improving game by game, and can see that today. No, I think our goal is the same as everybody in this tournament, is try and qualify to the World Cup. So we take it game by game, and then so we have to do our homework again against the Central African Republic. It's not going to be easy.
I was sure where your coach on the D and the Desmond of Friendly attending kind of Black Satellite. One day your coach ya down and watching or what penny pana manansoa and what was the children was a woman who was trying to bet me qualify now for World Cup no what do I want Jimby?
Goal is the same as everybody in this tournament, is try and qualify to the World Cup. So I think our goal is the same as everybody in this tournament, is try and qualify to the World Cup. So we take it game by game, and then so we have to do our homework again against the Central African Republic. It's not going to be easy, but we'll try and scale through and see what happens after.
was your way. I had the black satellite coach. Yani Dino Desmond Affair. And I'm a patch of one so the Kakra. And so to one moon. And I wouldn't say on Saturday. Nyameya Domua MTNFA Cup no. Semi-finals no matches I would drop in noir. And so bet me a told you I'm a fan to anymore. So was our games we muno. A bet me a told you I was Takwa. Yes, Zebra penny for to many Konya. At the gate fee, Nababa Tuja. Nama patch of my fan to anymore. Say Nyameya Domina Saturday, our games. Whoop so webinar for watching VIP. Sika bet me a chiano. A 50 Ghana cities. And then I can cry a free whopper. Now me patch of why stand in more. Me patch on also 30 Ghana cities. And now other stands na kano. And also 20 Ghana cities. And only Sika Nyami at my Saturday. Sa games I would draw ye back no. Who so bet me a shebiamana ye. Wouldn't say Saturday in the games a bet me a tojano. A Atram Diversa Soccer Academy. A 4 p.m. and a sa game the Babaso. One more ball. Eddie Tia Golden Cake Sporting Club. And on a cry a free whopper. My men front to Mr. Tasco. Womuni a year fiasek. And so bet me a see one Makanya. And on a cry a free whopper. Now on Sunday, May 11th, 2025 for no. Me Pachokura Bia Kumasia Santa Kotoko. MTNFA Cup no. Womusu bet me a ball. Eddie Tia Brecum Chelsea. Ya no a cry a free whopper. Ye Jejen Semo. And so to media met here for. Now when him say Enche Bia. And I'm breaking record be and so to me the ma war say enchakura tournament be and so betumi akoso e wo London abrochimemu a enu ye 4 nations tournament a enu ne kakra ye free whopper wonim say was that tournament ni mo no Jamaica, Trinidad, Nigeria and after the Blasters of Ghana wom so betumi asi one makan ye nya sam keto makura na me part of reporter mejetie and it's 5 local players bi won mo a empanyfo target wo mo say anhwe ye wom betumi akwa Bobby na one must one makan at the the Blasters of Ghana ya no ne kakra ye free whopper wo bowramu House of Lions one makachia abrantie Ebeneza Alban one so betumi akobi Kamaruddin Mamudu one senaka de Media Sporting Club no afa Stephen Amankona wo bowra mu Brecum Chelsea a branche one wo sina kan Kwame Poku e bone ball e de makro bia Kumasi Asante Kotoko e na inti menu so wono so bone ball e de makro bia Kumasi Asante Kotoko wom ne 5 players are so far so good no empanyimfo ani di one machi se nyame ya adom at this tournament no wom betumi akwakosi one makan e de ama the Blasters of Ghana eno ne kakra ye free whopper na me pacho ma remfi se number 1 goalkeeper Benjamin Asare wono so betumi akobi no akwa demu di ama the Blasters of Ghana eno ne kakra ye free whopper na me pacho ye ka Benjamin Asare ne won sansem ye no wonim se na se video bi pie monten so e pope apa na ye tete se owura ni din ene Alhaji Sedu Agongo papa no watumi acha Benjamin Asare ka ye nya asem keto makura ne nyina ne ye se ne video bi di ka pie dwa se abrantie e fere se Benjamin Asare wadam adema the glorious house of folk no akura ya wo ba the Blasters of Ghana mu a wasanso demudema one mo no wo tetrotro mu ya chese nya asem keto ma ya chese wo kofie na sa video no a ensem trofo de pie dwa wo social media ne so no enu na ka obi ama run din ene Alhaji Sedu Agongo papa ne dia to dwa e chese dabi eni kwa se krache no wo tumi tina chese trotro mu sa san se wo hwemu a wa baba ye number 1 goalkeeper e wo Ghana memu a Ghana nyina no ye ni di na chie etina ho akwakohia se wo timi to brownie car enso tumi de ma branche no anya sem keto ma na me pacho ma me fanto woni se eno da presentation no timi koso e ma branche na timi receive car no a anya sem keto ma na eno no run din ene Sedu Agongo nya kwanya ene nsem trofo ekasai
so seen a video and donated it from nowhere, not based on the fact that I'm donating it for him to do anything for me, but just based on the fact that he's a footballer. I think it will encourage him to do his best, push more and make an impact.
Abusua waya kakra ye free whopper and me patro ye jeje mo na no achi no and the glorious house of folk one which say coach ya wo di one money mu owura Abubakar Watara and so far sa kwanya no so no wacha za ade bia say ya na eniye mu a na wo dan sem trofo ase ne wo mu a wo de video no kwakwato social media no so sanse ma bo branch ne pa amenei watumi anyaka
na ase na mu media for particular anyone na mu ya ma that event no baso we can't be without media no young to me ko baby because media man no fire picture no the command on who na or react exam me feel say the media people you deserve that recognition da mo asipa mo dugo so na dem be ka cha sare say won use kan ye on junu say ball no ball na be the man nta ejuma na wa ye no oye no akwa enyim pa because Ghana is the one of the big football country in the world.
Sompa FM.
Abusia weye kakra ye free waba me patro yejeje mo so de ametiefo na entantam so no yenkwai na yemfa nkrofo amaman so de enso ntumi mama so wa wonim say UEFA Champions League no me patro semi final 2 eno so tumi todwa chese yejeje mo enso tumi de ametiefo na me patro mama fanto animo se enro da Paris Saint-Germain one mo si one makan ya chese na nyasam keto makura wo ne Arsenal boboko no enso tumi kokko bobo Emma after the game no 3 goals and so to me pie free baya Paris Saint-Germain share 2 Arsenal ababa temu bako pe ye no ne kakra ye free wapa wonim say first leg encounter no me patcho ma me fanto animo say Paris Saint-Germain one mo share 1 Arsenal and to me antibi enti on aggregate no me patcho ma me fanto animo say Paris Saint-Germain one mo qualify ya kwaya 3-1 wo hono mu a one mo yi Arsenal and so to me dia free mu a eno ne kakra ye free wapa me patcho ye jeje mo and so to me dia metie fo chese nyasem keto makura na me patcho ene wonim se games awodo pinu a enso betumi atodwa ya chese nyasem keto ama ma me fanto animo se Chelsea boboko no ebo 7 pm a one just garden enso betumi asi one makan wonim se first leg encounter no Chelsea boboko no etu kwan ekwo share just garden makomako enan ya one mo timu bako pe enti ene no eye crucial adema one mo sa game no wo mo so betumi awinie na me patcho ene 7 pm krono ano Real Betis won betu kwan na woni Fiorentina so etumi akwakosi one makan ya eno ne kakra ye free wapa wonim se wo hwe first leg encounter no a Real Betis etina fie ehye 2 Emma Fiorentina enso ba betimu bako pe eno ne kakra ye free wapa me patcho ye jeje mo enso etumi dia matiefo na no wotwe no obo entie fa mo ne nsem no ensi ya na wonim se bibia mu no eye secure ewo se wo bad ye wutumi sikio na neoma nyina so tumi koyie dema wo na wo sikia na wo sikio ne sei me patcho ma me fronto animo se wo ba bia no wa himfie wo koyia ene ya na ma ba man wo ba na ni tumi ka ho enti wo ba wa himfie wo koyie no eno sa na ba man wo bedru pe na sa nansa no wo dwane agyawo wo kokora wo ma wo sika na so wo bo apeto wo frɛ no no akate no aya take ho hunu sa neoma bi nhyeda nkoyie ni nyina ne yesa sanitary pad no a bosome so a wo de siesie ho no question mark me patcho eda ho eje ho akwakwo nya se obabia no e wo se wonya secure sanitary pad na me patcho wo so tumi de bo ho bra na neoma nyina timi koyie bosome so sa no a e wo se wo menses no wo tumi hwe se wa hemfie wa siesie e betumi akoyie e bra wo de secure sanitary pad no me patcho etumi asiesie ho na wonim se makade a kire se secure sanitary pad nko a ene pad a wo ba wo betumi ahye white yes wo ba obetimi ashata the white na wo de nam te se soro abofo no san se no leakage bibia ne won mo a ebetumi apepia fa wam wanim agu ase enti no wo hyekura mpo no a chese emframa fa ho heat ma ho ema rashes bia ma ho wo ba wo feel comfortable ankasa wo hunu sa no kwa wo your ba mu ba enuoma koyie ema ba ma no kura tumi jeje so san se we no kura esa ti wo pens ne so ema bibia koyie me patcho ma me fanto animo se won in two size ya wo long one ya wo extra long enti wo ba bia sen ya wo flow no sitie bia no ebetimi akontani na neoma nyina so atumi akoyie wonim se ehyem makomako 12 enti aboa ma no chichiro no bibia da wo menses ne ba ne dodo mu no eye secure sanitary pad me patcho tiedi ne ye secure sanitary pad eno na wo ba bia wo hia se wo betumi de asiesie ho bra wo posome no enso atumi aso ene mpanyifo ni nkomo na emom hye ne so se wo leading shops ahuduo mo anase miaya ya ton sanitary pad stores ahuduo mo abowura mo ya wadome se no abowura mo odome market wokwa sek kotu ne duduo mu na se wo so kono koton na neoma nyina so ntumi nkoyie fama me patcho me din ene Akosua Agyewaa Kode3 Boateng was this is our own. Let's cherish our own Ghana Premier League no emfa ne tuma pa emfra ne yakọ victory charismatic chapel ho na se awurade asem no me patcho atumi de free Pastor Frank ne nkyɛn enso atumi aba somo na nneɛma nyina da enso atumi akoye diama wo a na sɛ yɛnkɔe na yɛmfa nkrɔfo messages awodro kakra wo mo so atumi de aba no enso ntumi emama somo na ya signal me such as time no waso enti Aaron Kwate ma memfa wo die nku antwam na mensɔre so wɔse ne didi Aaron na a bold woman wada se medase wate medase pa nyame won hyira ye sɔre so na afei ye de awurade asɛm no enso atumi abesom.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own.